Okay, in this video we're checking out the WLtoys XKX1 GPS drone. Brushless motors, 2-axis gimbal on roll and pitch, 1080p camera, 25 frames per second. I think it's a pretty low bit rate, not so great, but we'll see what the quality of the video is like. You know, this is a toy grade drone. GPS, of course, got 2S 2300 milliamp hour LiPo. Uses this control, and of course Wi-Fi FPV back to your phone, and has all these different functions here labeled on these buttons. I'm told that from the vendor that the intelligent flight modes, whatever, waypoints and follow me, don't work on this app, so they warn me not to use it. I think that they'll fly away, so I'm not going to be testing that. Just going to show you how it flies and show you the video quality. So let's take it up. All right, so go ahead and turn the drone on first. There we go. 4 green lights, 100% battery. It's going to do a camera gimbal calibration, I think. And at some point we should be able to connect via Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and turn the controller on, and then we'll connect. Let's go into our app, and the GPS or the Wi-Fi access point is called X1-GPS and some numbers, so just connect to that. And then the app is called WLGPS, so you want to get that in the Play Store and launch that, and select X1 drone, and then hit start flying. And let me record our phone screen here. Okay, we have an image coming back. Oh, the app crashed. Alright, let's nope, sorry, I hit the home button. Start flying. Alright, let's move this little Mobizen screen recorder out here. Okay, and then hit record. Okay, so the app keeps crashing on my phone. Not sure what's up with that. Let's close everything. And relaunch the app. Okay. And it looks like it's recording. So you can see the screen there, typical Wi-Fi lag. Not the greatest lighting conditions right now. You can see some of the telemetry coming back on the app. And let's start recording video. And then to launch, you can do the one touch takeoff, or you can do, I think it's the 2 sticks down and in, and then throttle up. Okay, so it's down and out, sorry. We got some drift here. So I'm gonna go ahead and land it. Looks like I'll have to do another compass calibration. That didn't seem to be working so great. Alright, so to calibrate, you long press this shoulder button here. It'll start beeping. And then you just do the normal calibration routine here. And down. Okay. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, that's much better. A little bit of wind. Pointed at me here. So it's still drifting a little bit, but it's not doing that whole weird dance that I was doing before. It's not too bad. Alright, so let's point the camera in the other direction. Let's go down this way here. Alright, so you see me here in the video. I'm going to stop this, make sure I have a recording, and start another recording. Yeah, so I'm looking right into the sun here. This is probably the best image here with the sun facing me, with the sun behind it. Let's turn to the side now, and now the sun is over coming from that direction. How does that image look? Let's bring it a little closer here. Just give you an idea what the stabilization looks like. So I'm going to be moving it back and forth like this. Wow, whoa, it's pretty crazy. Wow. So I must be in high rates. Let's see here. Okay, that. Alright, I don't know if that's high rates or low rates. This is low rates. It's very jerky, as you can see. You can see how much I'm moving it. That's pretty crazy. But the on the roll axis, it looks pretty stable. And this is the pitch axis. I'll have to look at the video, but it's not too bad. Obviously, it's not stabilized on the yaw axis. The yaw is much slower than roll and pitch. All right, so. Let's send it away here. Get a little. It's got some power and speed for sure. It's pretty darn fast actually. Alright, I'm just gonna try and fly it around here a little bit. Very maneuverable. How's that video looking? Low bitrate 1080p video, but this thing's $150. Maybe a drone for your kids. Maybe someone that doesn't have a whole lot of money wants to get into drones. Maybe you want to practice on this one before getting something a little bit more expensive. We'll see if the gimbal can tilt down. Alright, so you can use this button to tilt the gimbal down, and then this one will tilt it up. You get that annoying beeping. See me there. And I'm already at 40% battery. I'm not sure how long I've been up. Put it up on the screen if I can remember to do it. You can see here. Let's come on down. Pretty stable, and a little bit of shaking there you can see on the yaw axis. Yeah, it looks pretty impressive to me. That gimbal is, for the amount of jerkiness this thing is exhibiting, really interesting. I'm not sure the video is all that stable, but alright. Push this up a little. Let's do a little bit of flying around just by FPV only. Let's raise it up a little bit. And I'm just going to fly it through the phone. And you have your typical lag here. Let's see how far I can go. Obviously looking at the video off in that direction is not so great. Looking into the sun. At least on the screen here it looks fairly stable. Not a lot of wind today. Okay, we'll just send it around the track here. We'll pass these soccer goals. Yeah, the video is, you'll have to see what it looks like on the big screen, but it doesn't look all that impressive. But again, it's a $150 drone, so you have to keep that in mind. Alright, so I'm kind of far off there. I can see it barely. Put it up a little bit. There you go, now I see it. And I'm going to hit the return to home button here. Return to home, see what happens here. It's going to go up, see it going up, and here it's always coming in a hurry. Wow, it's fast. It should let right overhead. Yep. I'm going to point the gimbal all the way down. Looks like it's right over that tree. I'm gonna move it just in case. So it's a few meters off, I think. You can see that I took it off about here, so it's about a couple meters away. Alright. And it landed. So you can kind of guide it a little bit. Yeah, and it landed and turned the motors off. So still at 47% battery. So let's get a little bit more video footage. Let's go ahead and take it off one more time. I'm going to raise the gimbal back up, and interestingly the gimbal looks like it's off kilter. Let's calibrate the camera here and let's take off again. Okay, so I'm just do a little kind of a low flight here, not too high. Yeah, the video image is not that impressive, just looks grainy. And I just saw some props in view. Okay, now I'm getting a low battery warning, 22%, so let's go ahead and bring it back home. 17%, oh, it's dropping fast now. All right, let's bring it back, 23%. Yeah, so after you land, you have to keep throttle all the way down, and then eventually it'll turn the motors off. It doesn't turn the motors off as fast when it does the auto landing, so keep it in mind. Go ahead and stop the recording. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this guy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. $150 I think right now, maybe less if there's coupons, but could be a good first drone. Just start out, see if you want to get into the hobby of flying these aerial drones or not. Anyway guys, that's good for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.